Let's begin lying back. Let the soles of the feet come together and open your knees wide. Close your eyes and start to deepen your breath. Begin to arrive. Nothing else to do here now but breathe. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Now grab behind your hamstrings and rock and roll yourself up to a comfortable seat. Shoulder shrugs. Inhale, raise the shoulders up. Exhale, lower the shoulders down. Use the breath and flow at your own pace. Find tabletop, roll over your shins and plant your hands. Let your knees settle under your hips and your palms rest under your shoulders. Puppy dog, keep the hips over the knees and walk the hands forward. Soften the heart toward the mat. Let any tension go as the heart melts down. Maybe soften the chest down a little more. Begin to rise and come back to tabletop. Walk the hands forward a few inches, tuck the toes, breathe in. Exhale, down dog. Press the hands into the mat. Keep the arms straight and reach the tailbone to the sky. Bend the knees as much as you need to so that there's length in the low back. Slowly walk the feet to the top of your mat for a forward fold. Maybe bend the knees here. Just let the torso relax. Soft bend to knees and roll the spine up to Tadasana. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, stretch fingertips to sky. Exhale, forward fold, release all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift, press your hands into your quads, shins or the floor, lengthen your spine. Plant the hands, step back to plank. Lower your knees to the mat, then exhale, elbows straight back, lower halfway down. Upward facing dog. Inhale, begin to straighten the arms, push the chest forward as the knees lift off the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. Flip the feet back over and send the hips up and back. Inhale, right leg lifts up and back, three-legged dog, hips square. Low lunge, exhale, step the right foot forward between the hands. High lunge, firm the feet then lift the chest up, breathe in, arms to the sky. Warrior 2, spin the back heel down, breath out, hips open to the side, arms out to a T. Stack the right knee over the right ankle, then slide the right knee slightly to the right. Feel the stretch in your inner hips as you gaze right. Front knee stays bent, peaceful warrior. Flip the right palm up, inhale, right hand to sky, left hand to back leg. Extended side angle, exhale. Keep the front knee bent, bring your right forearm to your right thigh and stretch your left arm by your ear. Move the left shoulder back a bit to open the chest to the sky. Inhale, peaceful. right arm sweeps up. Exhale, low lunge, cartwheel the hands down, hands frame the front foot. Inhale, plank pose. Keep the knees lifted this time. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, up dog, knees lifted off the mat, shoulders back. Exhale, down dog, flip the feet and press back. Other side. Inhale, send the left foot up and away from you, three-legged dog, left toes point down. Low lunge, exhale, left foot forward between the hands. Inhale, high lunge, arms to the sky. Warrior 2, back heel spins down to the mat, exhale, arms open wide. Front foot bisects the middle of the back arch, then gaze beyond your left fingertips. Keep the front knee bent, peaceful warrior. Flip the left palm up, inhale, left arm up and back, right hand to back leg. Extended side angle, exhale, lower the left forearm to your left thigh and reach the right arm by your ear. Press the right heel into the mat and reach through the right fingertips. Peaceful warrior. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, low lunge. Windmill the hands down to frame the front foot. Inhale to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Elbows bend to 90 degrees. Up dog. Inhale as you straighten the elbows. Down dog, exhale. Bend your knees, look forward. Inhale. Exhale, step or fly to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to quads, shins or the floor, long spine. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, circle sweep arms to the sky, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Tadasana, arms by your sides. Left knee floats up, breath in, hands to heart center to prep for tree. Exhale, left foot to right inner thigh. Rest the eyes on a single point of focus. Tadasana, exhale, step the left foot down. Tree pose, second side, right foot lifts, breath in, hands to prayer. Breath out, right foot to left inner thigh. Let the eyes focus gently on a single point in front of you. Exhale, Tadasana, step the right foot down. Inhale, circle sweep arms to sky. Exhale and spill over your legs, forward fold. Inhale and lift halfway up. Hands down, step back, move through your vinyasa. In down dog, right leg lifts on the breath in. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, high lunge, sweep the arms overhead. Hips stay square, take a twist, right arm back, left arm forward. Stay twisted for revolved lunge, hands to prayer. Exhale, left elbow outside right thigh. Firm the palms into one another and gaze over the right shoulder. Let the heat build in the body, but keep your breath slow and even. Hands down, step back, take a vinyasa. From down dog, left leg high, breath in. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, high lunge, arms to the sky. Exhale, twist. Reach your left arm back, reach your right arm forward. Stay twisted, hands to prayer for revolved lunge. Exhale, right elbow to left thigh. Palms pressed together, gaze past the left shoulder. Push elbow into thigh and thigh back into elbow to spin the chest more to the left. Hands down, step back, move through your vinyasa. Now lower your knees and come to a seat on your mat. Find staff pose, both legs long. Then prep for floating staff. Press the hands down by your hips, firm the thighs, pull the belly up and in. And then float the hips up off the mat. It's okay if the hips don't actually lift here. Lower the hips down, and then cross the legs again. Lolasana. Ground your hands down either side of your hips. Feel like you're pulling your belly up and in, and then leave your feet on the mat and just lift your hips up an inch or two. Core strong. Release back down. Begin to make your way down onto your back. Hamstring stretch. Straighten your left leg long on the mat and extend your right leg toward the sky. Interlace your hands behind your right leg, then draw it toward you. If your hamstrings are tight, try bending the right knee a bit. Release. Happy baby. Bring the knees up, then take them wider than your rib cage. Reach for the outer feet or the ankles or the hamstrings. Gently pull down with the hands. Flatten your whole back onto the mat. Flatten your shoulders against the mat. Hamstring stretch other side. Extend your left leg toward the sky and reach your right leg long on the mat. Then pull the left leg toward you. Just like the other side, maybe bend the left knee a bit if the hamstrings are tight. Release the shape. Draw your knees into your chest. Give them a squeeze. Take one last inhale. Exhale, Shavasana. Lay the legs long. Let the arms come down by the hips. Turn the palms up and settle in. Enjoy Shavasana here for as long as feels right for you. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.